विदेश सचिव हर्षवर्धन सिंगलेवा मेन भारत जहां ओक्तो पुइलू जरी लेदाय जहां दो यूक्रेन लगभग 20,000 हर यूक्रेन रे को तहाय काना और 12,000 लेका हर यूक्रेन खन को उडुका काना और उनको अगु को लेके ते भारत सरकार पाहटा सेत खन 26 गोटां उड़न गाड़ी भेजा होई काना तबे बाडाय तेना कथा काना राशिया और यूक्रेन लड़ाई रे भारत रेन पठुआ नवीना जीवी चलावा काना और भारत सरकार उनिया हरमो रुवर अगु को लेके ते कुरुमुटरे हतावा कादा
on the situation in Ukraine. The meeting began with an expression of deep regret and condolences on the tragic death of Sri Naveen'S Gyanagodar, Indian student who was studying in the Kharkiv National Medical University and who died earlier today. The Prime Minister conveyed his deep anguish on the loss of the life of an Indian national. As you can imagine, we remain very concerned about the situation in Kharkiv, Sumy and adjacent areas which are currently in a conflict zone. Earlier this afternoon, I separately called in the ambassadors of Russia and Ukraine. You would recall that the last time we had a briefing 2 days ago, I did convey to you that I had called in the ambassadors to emphasize to them the need for protection of our citizens, in particular our students who are in the conflict zone. They had been given assurances in this regard. Today, I reiterated strongly our demand for urgent safe passage for all Indian nationals who are still in Kharkiv and other cities in the conflict